Welcome back. You are now looking at a mobile device, and you'll notice that in the search area that there is the word Basecamp. And that's because we're going to go to look in our App Store to find the app for Basecamp 2. And so we're going to do a simple search for Basecamp 2. We'll be able to scroll down and look for it inside of the App Store. And you'll notice there that Basecamp 3 is there, as well as Basecamp 2. So we're going to open and install Basecamp 2. Basecamp 2 will then ask you for your login and password. You'll enter it here. Now you should then be able to navigate the mobile application, which should also mirror the desktop application. And everything that you'll need will be here in your workspace. And this is important to note because you'll be working with other individuals and they'll be able to work from their mobile device as well as on their desktop computer. You can access your settings in your mobile device by going to the right-hand corner. You'll then be able to manage your account as well as to reset the app and contact support. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.